outside or a clapper strikes from inside. The sound thus produced has only a distant character of original bell tolling. During continuous ringing, they are also slow to start and also end gradually. This also fails them in replicating the original bell tolling. It is also impossible to follow a continuous peal with a single stroke, as one has to wait for the oscillation of the chamber to end, which happens gradually. Pulsator, the improved and new automated bell tolling system invented and patented by Felix Sylvester, a Kerala entrepreneur, is free from all these shortcomings.
I am proud to introduce Pulsator, the ultimate automatic search bell tolling mechanism, which does not compromise with the traditional way of bell tolling.
He owns the trademark. It's being introduced into the market by Madonna Electronics and ISO 9001-2008 company, which is a well-reputed organization known as an authorized service agency of a multinational corporation from 1987. The main feature of Pulsator is that it does not compromise with the traditional bell tolling, both in sound and in process. Pulsator tolls the bell by the function of a mechanism called rotom, which is electrically operated. This is Mr. Felix's own invention. Now we will see how Pulsator gives out a continuous peal. It abruptly dies down, giving the feeling of ancient bell tolling. It is also possible to follow with single stroke as and when continuous pealing ceases. For single stroke, press the red button. Switch on for continuous peal. It can be set automatically to toll to set patterns at fixed timings. Various patterns can be selected using right cursor. It can be made operational by pressing the enter button. If you need to stop the tolling, you can do so by pressing the reset button. It can be operated by a remote control. It can be operated through a mobile phone from distant places, and the tolling can be heard from there itself through the phone. If the electric supply fails, Pulsator is capable of operating from UPS. It is to be noted that Pulsator can be installed to the